but it would go fluttering. The butterfly or the fly would go flying, shaking, trembling its wings. Flapping means shaking, waving up into the air, means it would go flying. When the boy had almost caught it in his hands, means when the boy was just about to catch the fly or butterfly, it would go flying, shaking the wings. Then his mother gave a cautionary call. Come, child, come. Come on to the footpath. Means in the meantime, his mother would call him. He ran towards his parents, gaily, happily, and walked abreast, side by side, walked abreast of them for a while. Means the boy would walk side by side of his parents for some time, being, however, soon left behind, attracted by the little insects. Then again he would be attracted by the little insects and worms along the footpath that were teeming out from their hiding places to enjoy the sunshine. The insects or the by the insects or the worms that would be coming out from their hiding place to enjoy the sunshine, the child would see and get attracted to catch them. Come, child, come, his parents again would call. His parents called from the shade of a grove. Grove means a number of trees where they had seated themselves on the edge of a well. Means sitting on the side of a well where there were a number of trees, they would call the child, come, child, come. He ran towards them. The child would run towards them. A shower of young flowers fell upon the child as he entered the grove. When he entered the grove, where the place where the number of trees were there, a number of flowers would drop upon him, and forgetting his parents, he began to gather the raining petals in his hands. He would take the parts of those flowers in his hands. But lo, he heard the cooing of doves, pigeons. In the meantime, he would hear the sound of the pigeons and ran towards his parents, shouting, the dove, the dove. The raining petals dropped from his forgotten hands. When he would ran, showing his parents the dove and shouting that the dove, happily he would be running. That time he would forget and the petals would drop from his hand. Come, child, come. Again the parents would call. They called to the child, who had now gone running in wild capers. In wild capers means playful dance. Capers around the banyan tree, and gathering him up the narrow winding footpath which led to the fair. And gathering him up, they took the narrow winding footpath which led to the fair through the mustard fields. Means when the child would be dancing happily, just like a child. Okay, when the child would be dancing, jumping, not dancing, jumping happily around the banyan tree. In the meantime, his parents, gathering him up, means holding his hand, they would take the narrow winding footpath. Which footpath? The footpath which had led to the fair, which had gone to the fair through the mustard field. Means they would take the road which was going to the mustard field, through the mustard field which was going to the fair. They would take that road. So children, we will do the next page. In the next class, you must do the grammar exercise and also write the word meaning here. So children, you must write down the word meaning given here. If you are not able to write immediately, very quickly, you replay the video, stop it, then you see and write. But you must write the word meanings. Alley, a narrow street, brimming, full to the edge, EDG edge, receding, moving back, tyrant's way, misuse of power, intercept, to stop someone after overtaking, him or her, to stop someone after overtaking, him or her. gaudy, showy, Everest, side by side, teeming, overflowing, caper, playful, jump. Thank you.